Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to sell your coins or token in Binance. So first thing what you need to do is, if you're on mobile phone, obviously you will launch your mobile app. If you are using computer or laptop, you just go onto Binance website and from there you log into it. And once you have logged in or in your computer app or on your app, what you need to do is you need to go to your wallet. So if I just click on my wallet, here you will have a list of coins and tokens that you have available in your wallet, the ones you have already purchased before. Uh, from here, you will select which token, which coin you want to sell. As you can see, I have many different coins, many different tokens here. You will probably have some as well. So you want to sell them, you will select that coin. So for this video, I will just select XRP, for example, to sell. So if I click on that, from here you need to select which pair you want to use to sell your coin. For example, if you want, when you're selling your XRP, what will you get in return? Obviously you will give something and you will get something, so you need to select that. For example, you have different options. You can sell XRP and you can get USDT. You can also sell XRP to get other stable coins. These four are stable coins. Then you can sell XRP, get BNB, or sell XRP, get BTC, Bitcoin, sell XRP, get Ethereum, and then you have international currencies like Euro, Turkish Lira, I think, and Brazilian currency, and some other options. So you have to select which pair you want to use, because when you will sell XRP, you will get something in return. So first of all, I will just select for USDT, just first pair for this video. Once you have selected that, then next thing you need to do is select sell. So I will select that. At this point, you have a couple of settings to do. You can see it says market option selected. What this means is that whatever the current market price is, okay, right now, whatever the market price is going for this token, if market option is selected here, your token will sell at that price. All you have to do is you have to tell just how many of your tokens you want to sell. If you have 1,000, do you want to sell all 1,000? If you have 10,000, you want to sell all 10,000 or some, for example. So you can use this slider, as you can see, and you can set what percentage of your total holding you want to sell. You don't want to sell all of it, you can select from here. So if I select, let's say 500, okay, and if I just click sell now, it will sell my token straight away at this current market price. Okay, it will sell it straight away. But if you don't want to sell it at this price, and then what you can do is you have this you click on market and you select this limit option. Okay, what this means is you then decide, you just say that, okay, I want to sell my token, my coin, but not at the market price, but at a different price, maybe at a higher price. For that, you will in the price section, you will set that price. So currently market price is 0.53. I say, okay, I want to sell it at 0.60. And again, like before, you will select how much of the quantity of your holding you want to sell, all 100% or some of it. So I will just say, okay, I want to sell all of it. So I will use the slider, take it 100%, or it's up to you, it's your choice. You can select any amount from here. Then it will tell you, okay, if you sell all of it at 0.60 price, this is how many USDT you will get. So this is almost finished. All you have to do is now select sell XRP. So because I'm using a limit order, remember, it will not sell straight away. It will wait until the market reaches this price, and then it will sell my order, complete my order. Now if you see, if I select sell XRP, you see currently there's nothing down here, but as soon as I select sell XRP, it will bring an order, open an order here. So this is just a warning message. It's just saying that the price you have set is more than 5% of the normal current market price. Do you want to continue? Yeah, if you want to sell it at 0.60, then you just select okay. If you want to sell a different price, that is up to you. They're not saying you cannot do that. They're just telling you that you're selling at really high price. So now that you see as soon as I select sell XRP, my open order was created here, meaning my order is, because it's limit order, as you can tell, it will sit here until my price that I had set, that I will sell at 0.60, market reaches that price. Currently it is selling at this price, or this is the current market price. Until then it will just sit there and nothing will happen. But when market reaches that price, my order will automatically complete and I will get my USDT, because I'm selling XRP to get USDT. If you had done USDT and BTC, then you would sell your XRP and you will get Bitcoins. If you had selected XRP and Ethereum, then after your XRP sold, you will get Ethereum, something like that. So things like that. Now then there's a cancel option, cancel all and cancel. This means that cancel all means if you had more than one orders here, and if you want to cancel all, you don't want to sell them all, you just select cancel all. And if you have only one order, you can select cancel and it will cancel that order and it will be cleared from here, meaning it will not sell, it will go back to your wallet. So if I click cancel, you will see my order has been cancelled and it has gone back to my wallet. Once you have sold it, let's say after completing the order, let me just it will go back to your wallet. Okay, and if you had selected XRP and USDT, then in your wallet you will have USDTs. Okay, and if you already had some USDT, it will show USDT, but it will now show more USDT because you have sold XRP. So your XRP, or the token that you sold, will be less in quantity and value, but the pair you use, because you had USDT, so your USDT will be more, and then that's how it will be. The order will complete. So that's how, friends, this really works. That's how simple it is. Just couple of settings that you need to be aware of, just couple of settings that you need to make, and you can easily sell your tokens or trade your tokens for by giving one token and taking another on Binance. Hope this has been easy enough for you. If you like the video, do give a like, and if you have not subscribed yet, you can subscribe. That will be great as well. So for now, that's it. Thank you very much for watching. See you again.